cutting a new kitchen countertop. The other one was over there. I had a big utensil tray. That's not going to be there anymore, so this is going to go all the way back to the windows. This is for my stove, my sink. Faces off the old top. So I'm going to cut the corners first. And then I'll jigsaw in between. I'm just lining it up by eye. It doesn't have to be perfect. It'll be covered. Simple as that. And that's a lot of weight. That's coming out. Okay, let's see how it fits. Here's my stove. Nice fit. Right on the money. Right on the money. Alright. I'm not going to bore you with cutting the other side. Just wanted to show you how I do it. Well, there they are. They both fit. And again, I'm going to cover this with black marble Formica. I'm not going to use a solid surface because it just weighs too much. So this is Saturday, so Monday I'm going to put a backsplash here. I use a 1x3. That'll give me 1 3/4 tall. And then of course I'll put my nose on here, my edging. Do that first with the black, and then do the surface, and it'll be ready to put in. Actually, I'm going to do some lightning holes up under here. I'm going to take this in and mark off my attachment points and come back and drill a bunch of holes halfway through. Lots more to come. Alright, have my countertop roughed together. Getting ready to cover it. I'll just put the glue on this edge with some black Formica to give it some durability and easy to clean. Here's the back of the sheet. This is the back side, so you can't really see you can see that there. That's pretty good. You can see the texture and the design. So that's going to cover this whole thing, which will match up to my black centers and the doors. It'll all be color coordinated. It's been a really long time since I did countertops. I used to do countertops back in the 80s, late 80s. So this is for the bus. I'm starting to cut out the stove area right here with a flush bit. Then I'll come over here and cut out the sink. And then I'll stick them in here and take a look at it, see what it looks like. I think it's going to look pretty good. And I've decided to go ahead and cover the backsplash in this also, since I have plenty of it left over. Alright, keep watching. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. Got a little bit of workspace over here. It's looking pretty good. Get the shadow out of the way. And this side goes along the bed area. So there's my new countertop. Just got to do the backsplash and that'll be ready to put in.